Hi, welcome to the Fulfullment channel. This video will guide you how to turn off the shipping minus inventory and quickly complete the fulfillment of orders and ship them promptly. In Fulfullment, you turn on the shipping minus inventory function. Fulfullment will automatically deduct inventory based on your order. You must ensure that the goods have sufficient inventory, that the shop SKU and stock SKU are correctly associated, and then you can purchase the label. If you turn off it, you can directly purchase the label and have it shipped quickly. Firstly, you need to have the setting button and SIG process setting, and then find the shipping minus inventory. The gray color indicates that it is not opened. Therefore, please make sure you have closed it. And then, go to the order module. Once you have orders, they will display in here and find the orders that are in the to ship status. Here you can buy label one by one, or you can buy labels in bulk. Click all orders and choose by label. Once the orders are bought successfully, you can click the In Process Own Warehouse to ship them. You can also choose to ship order for each orders, or you can ship them in bulk. Please remember that only after your order has been shipped will it change from the In Process status to Shipped in Fulfullment. Only then will this shipped status be synchronized to the platform. Thank you for watching. This is complete process about how to fulfill orders quickly. If you like this video, please subscribe Fulfullment channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with Fulfullment customer service.